Welcome to my class. Lesson: sentences used when you travel. Sentence is: I want to plan a trip. I want to plan a trip. The next sentence is: Is there a swimming pool? Is there a swimming pool? The next sentence is: I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. The next sentence is: I want to visit the mountains. I want to visit the mountains. The next sentence is: We need to prepare luggage. We need to prepare luggage. The next sentence is: Let's take a bus. Let's take a bus. The next sentence is: Let's book a hotel. Let's book a hotel. The next sentence is: Do you have any available rooms? Do you have any available rooms? The next sentence is: I need a double room. I need a double room. The next sentence is: Here is my room key. Here is my room key. The next sentence is: Here is your room. Here is your room. The next sentence is: Can I have more pillows? Can I have more pillows? The next sentence is: I need extra towels. I need extra towels. The next sentence is: Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? The next sentence is: The air conditioner is not working. The next sentence is: The hotel is near the beach. The hotel is near the beach. The next sentence is: Can I order food to my room? Can I order food to my room? The next sentence is: We should try local food. We should try local food. The next sentence is: Let's drink some coffee. Let's drink some coffee. The next sentence is: I would like to check out. I would like to check out.
Thank for